Yeah.
Hello, Kaiser. Huh? Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I eat, live, travel with Bitcoin. This is my host. Thank you so much, host. This is for you.
Oh, thank you.
A cupcake. I was enjoying it. Let's go.
Okay. I was going to pick up my son from the daycare.
Okay, you can go. I can go there.
Okay. Let me just see you through and then.
Your name is Charlene.
Yes, Charlene.
Paco.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
I was wondering which one exactly do you use? Is it Paco or
Hitesh.
Okay.
Paco. Paco is easy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Don't mind the bag.
This is my couch. Wow. I got a sitting area too. I got 3 mirrors. I can do everything here. Alright, thank you.
Okay.
So we are home. This is gonna be home for the next 4 days. Let's hope to find some Bitcoiners, and if not, let's just orange pill people. Well, just came for a little walk to the town. Since I've reached home, I was doing some work, and this is their most famous supermarket called OK. Well, this is the East Mall. It's so clean, it's amazing. Like, I just hope somebody has got something on Bitcoin. Let's see. I'm wearing my t-shirt, walking around. Wow. This is undoubtedly the best mall. Like, I'm on the 8th floor and this is how it looks, man. This park is right in the bang in the city center. Amazing. Wow, I like Harare. It's safe. That's why you love it more. Snake World. I am so excited to see this place because I do love snakes. They are the most magical and you feel really scared also. But yeah, Snake World and the Lion Park. This is what you can do in Harare, man. In the town, pretty much you just walk. Not much to do. I have to still go to the gallery. But yeah, that's about it.
No, this is one left.
Look at this green one.
Yeah.
This is Cobra neurotoxic, cytotoxic. Wow. It's here. Alright, Snake World over. Oh, Crocoboy. Rockefeller. It's a croc. You should not have those animals in a cage. That's not their habitat. That ain't. I say that for all the birds. Everything. Anyways, let's go. Next one. So this is awesome. Like, if you have your own car, you can just drive around here. I saw 2 cars go. I did not know, but you can go all around. And if you don't have a car, you just walk. This is the kiosk and the game drive. Hey, let's go. I was so excited. I hope I find a car. Someone. Man, I just saw something standing there. Look, running. Oh, bro, I'm literally walking in here. I'm so scared.
With this age, I'm about 22 years old now.
So 22.
Yes.
Oh, these are lions. This is so close. Oh my god. Hi, baby. Hello.
Hello, Kaiser. Hello, Kaiser. Hello, Kaiser. Hello, Kaiser. Hello, Kaiser.
Volcan.
Huh?
Volcan.
Vocali.
Volcan. These are who?
Volcan, Aura, Dia, Silva. So every 3 days you feed everyone?
Yes.
How much food comes to feed them?
It's like normally to the lions we give
No, total for everyone.
to everyone. It's like 10 to 15 kgs per lion.
No, but for this?
Also 10 to 15 kgs.
So total how much? 100 kg, 500, 1000?
100 kgs, I think, more than, because we've got 15 lions.
15?
15 years.
But we just
14.
We just saw 4.
Yeah?
There were only 4 lions.
There's about 5 that side.
Oh yeah, then the car.
Yes.
Wow.
You see, it's big.
It is big. They don't attack?
I know.
This is huge. Hey. Whoa. Hello. Can I touch his face? No.
Yeah, you can.
It will not attack? Eat?
It won't even attack. So it's very friendly. Just negotiate with him.
What do you think? Oh my god, this is huge. Why do they have it here?
So his name is Tommy. Tommy is over 250 years.
Wow. Can I touch?
Yes, you can. Tommy is cold-blooded.
Man, thank you.
Okay.
Take care. Peace out. Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Amazing, man.
Okay.
We just see so many animals.
Okay, guys.
Let's see. Let's try to get into a game drive if possible, and if not, let's just go.
No, you eat grass if you eat ospreys.
This is a beautiful place. I know they're in enclosure there, but if you come in a car, there's a huge game drive that you can drive around. And I did not have a car where you can see elephants, zebras, hyenas, everything is there. Right next to the city, 23 kilometers only. 28, I guess, yeah. But nice. This is Zimbabwe. Let's go back to the town and try to finish some workout. Peace. Run with Bitcoin.